Thank you for choosing ResMed's AirFit N10 nasal mask that's designed to perform with simplicity, comfort, and real visual freedom. As you'll see, it's easy to clean and reassemble. Let's disassemble the mask for cleaning. Undo the fastening tabs on the upper headgear straps and pull the upper straps out of the frame. Then unfasten the Easy Click clips to remove the headgear. Now gently squeeze the cushion and pull it away, like this. If you have the soft sleeves fitted, just slide them off. And you finish taking apart your mask. Now let's clean it. Always follow cleaning instructions to optimize the performance of your mask. Hand wash the cushion and frame with tubing daily by rubbing in warm soapy water using mild soap. Use a soft bristle brush to thoroughly clean the vents and swivel after every use. And you should hand wash the headgear and soft sleeves once a week in warm water using mild soap. After rinsing well in tap water, allow all components to air dry completely, avoiding direct sunlight, before you put your mask back together again. Attach the cushion to the frame by inserting the longer clip into the top slot and the shorter one into the lower slot, like this. Optional soft sleeves are provided to add a further comfort layer. If you want to use the soft sleeves, just slide them over the upper arms of the frame. Now, ensuring the ResMed logo is facing outwards, reattach the Easy Click clips, like this. Next, thread the top headgear straps into the frame slots from the inside out. Then fold the strap over to secure. And you're done! This video is part of a series of 3 for ResMed's AirFit N10. The other 2 cover fitting and user tips. We hope you find them helpful. The AirFit N10 is designed to deliver effortless performance throughout the night, so you can get the therapy you require with simplicity and comfort. Life starts with a mask that helps give you the sleep you deserve, so you can enjoy every day and appreciate the simple things in life that are often the most rewarding. The AirFit N10 is part of ResMed's new AirFit range, the right fit for you.